Well, when I have a free day, which is hardly ever, I often visit a nature reserve called the Ojcowski National Park. It's in the southeast of my country. It's about an hour's bike ride from my home, so its location is fairly convenient. Who do I go there with? Actually, I usually prefer to go alone. But sometimes in the summer, I do drag along a few friends with me. We go on bike trips then. I think the main reason I go to this place is to just get away from the hustle and bustle of city life. But of course, I enjoy the fresh air, the wonderful views, and the sounds of nature. So it's a bit different to other places where I could spend my free time, mainly because it's outside the city. I usually spend my free time at the cinema or in cafes, or sometimes just at home reading a book or watching a film. Another reason why it's different is because, like I said, I prefer to go there alone and spend some time in solitude. When I have a bit of free time in my city, I'm almost always in the company of friends. I think in the city, you need to have friends or it can get a bit boring.